guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some cold coffee that I do every day because it's really hot. So the ingredients are a little bit of water, just like half, and I like to use French vanilla Coffee Mate, but you can use regular milk. And the type of coffee I'm going to be using is, where is it at? It's the decaf Kroger. I like to use this one, but you can most definitely use any cafe you like. And I'm going to use my 2 Esplendas. Whoops, and I dropped one in here. My 2 Esplendas that I use. So right now, I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I'll be right back. Let's do this 2 minutes. All right, now, so the water is hot. And now I'm just going to add the coffee. And then this is the cup I'm going to be using. I added ice to it. And now we just pour the coffee in here. Like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my French vanilla. And start adding some in here. Just add a little bit. Like that. Not a lot. And we stir it. And then we add the sugar. Okay, so I went ahead and added the sugar. I'm just going to stir it. Alright guys, so I'm going to taste it. Oh, yes. It's amazing. I love it. This is how you make a cold coffee. If you guys are coffee lovers like I am, this is a really good thing to do during the hot days. So I really hope you enjoy this mini how to make iced coffee. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.